you guys, this is day 3 of our daily vlogs. Today we are talking about my favorite series and movies of 2025. All dressed up guys. मेरे को ना समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या नज़र लगी है मेरे सीरीज और मेरी मूवीज़ को 2025 की कि मैं ये कर ही नहीं पा रही हूँ बैठ के क्योंकि अभी मेरे को बाहर निकलना है. लाइक एज यू कैन सी मैं भी कोशिश करूँगी वीडियो करने का. नहीं हो पाएगा तो फिर घर वापस आके करूँगी, लेकिन करूँगी फॉर श्योर. एंड अगर आज के वीडियो में नहीं हो पाता तो फिर से कल के व्लॉग में होगा. आई मीन कुछ तो नज़र लगाएगा ये. मतलब मैंने ऐसा कुछ देखा भी नहीं है कि मैं बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ. Guys, this is my favorite mascara. Can you see the volume and the lift that it has given my eyelashes? The only lip combo that I've been using since the last 1.5 years. This is like Mars ka Deep Dawn lip liner. This Suspense lipstick by K Beauty. This is my final look, guys. Hi, you guys. I'm back home. I am Sat. We are talking about series and movies of 2025 that just blew my mind. So, starting with the series, first one has to be Ginny and Georgia. Season 3 आया था 2025 में, and it is like the continuation. We get to see in season 2 that she's going to get married to that mayor. शादी के टाइम ही Georgia gets arrested. In this season also, जिनी के जो फादर होते हैं उनका एक अलग ही रूप देखने को मिला जो मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. एंड एज ऑलवेज द सीजन kept me hooked till the last episode. It really kept me feeling that I want season 4 right freaking now. Georgia is pregnant, guys. You will get some spoilers when I'm speaking about the series and movies, okay? So just putting it as a disclaimer. So the second series that I have to talk about, which I watched on Amazon Prime, that was We Were Liars. It is a story about 4 people. जिसमें से Cadence is the main character, then two other people are her cousins, and the other one is like indirectly related to the family and the love interest of Cadence. The story was a tragic one, and it left me speechless for a whole week. It was there in the back of my mind कि क्यों हुआ ऐसा. You get to see dual POVs. One is in the present जब tragedy हो चुका है and after few years, and another one is like the beginning of the days. We get to see उसी के through the tragic वाला day. Basically tragedy के कुछ days पहले से वो story. So it's like that sort of a POV thing. It was a great plot twist. Third series that I have to say is Monster, the Ed Gein story. The actor who played the role of Ed Gein, he deserves an Oscar, guys. He was so good with his acting that I could not finish it in one go because it was so disturbing to watch. I had to take breaks to finish the series, but it was sort of a series कि आप break ले भी लोगे फिर भी आपका मन करेगा कि मुझे देखना है. Like it's the story of the serial killer Ed Gein, right? So I'm pretty sure कि सबने अभी तक तो देख ही लिया होगा. That again was just mind blowing. So the last series that is there on the list, it has to be The Girlfriend, which is there on Amazon Prime and not the Rashmika wala movie. So basically, this is a story of Cherry, her boyfriend, and boyfriend ki mom. The mother is obsessed with her son, and she thinks that Cherry is not a good girlfriend or a life partner for the son. So the episodes are like this, that you'll get to see the point of view of Cherry, आधे episode में, and you'll get to see the same thing from the point of view of the mother. So it's a very interesting way of telling the story, and it's like thriller suspense. Please watch it. कुछ भी बोलूँगी the girlfriend के बारे में तो वो भी again spoiler ही हो जाएगा. So again, my suggestion would be, if you have not watched all these four series, please watch it. They were so good and the best that I watched in 2025. Now coming to the movies that blew my mind in 2025. I have to start with the movie Stolen, जिसमें अभिषेक बैनर्जी का मैंने अलग ही रूप देखा. I have seen him in the movie Stree as Jana, and the way I saw him in Stolen, that was like complete opposite. I really look up to him as an actor. अगर उनके जैसा 10% भी एक्टिंग कर पाऊंगी तो शायद मैं कुछ बन ही जाऊंगी. And the movie Solian is again, it's inspired by true events. The story was so good and the actors were so good. Like very different sort of a genre from what I usually watch. The next movie I would say is Ulaj. I know Janvi is everywhere nowadays, but I feel she does a really good job in the Netflix movies, more than she does in the box office wale movies. Like I watched Gunjan Saxena as well. She was good in that. I liked her personally. Again, a very different plot related to like the ISI raw and terrorism and everything. So really good. I like those type of movies. And the actor Gulshan, he's so hot. I loved it. The next movie that I'll talk about has to be The Diplomat. Again, very similar to like the whole India Park topic. And to even think about this particular movie, that it was a real life incident, it just gives you chills while you watch it. I mean, you cannot even imagine the life that she had, the woman. And yeah, the whole thing was a good watch again, I would say. And the last movie is Girlfriend. I don't know if it is The Girlfriend or only Girlfriend, Rashmika Mandana wala, which is on Netflix. She did a damn good job in that film. The storyline was so amazing. It is so relatable. I mean, there are guys who are like the hero of that movie, जो कि हमारी सोसाइटी के रियल विलेंस होते हैं. And I really liked that they portrayed this character out there. You know, it's like a tamacha for all the guys who are like this. Finally, I could talk about the favorite series and movies of 2025. Guys, I did it. Big achievement for me. अब पता नहीं मैं कल के vlog में क्या करूँगी. बट ठीक है, कुछ ना कुछ उसका मैं जुगाड़ कर ही लूँगी. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रिमूव माई मेकअप. प्लीज़ देखा करो यार मेरे वीडियोस पे, मेहनत करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, थोड़ा तो मोटिवेशन दे दो. एंड ऑल्सो ऑफकोर्स जो भी फीडबैक है, जो भी क्रिटिसिज्म करना है, सब कर सकते हो कमेंट में. मैं माइंड नहीं करती. एंड इसको यहीं पे मैं ख़त्म करूँगी. सो ending this right here. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.